Hey there, want to earn real money just by playing games on your phone? You're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through 7 legit and free apps that pay you to play. Let's get started. 1. App.com. First up is App.com. It's super simple to use. Download the app and you'll get a list of other apps and games to try. Every time you play, you earn rewards. There are also daily bonuses and additional offers. Use the VIP bonus link in the description for a 500-point joining bonus. This app works in most countries. 2. Coin Supply. Next, check out Coin Supply. Available as both a website and app, it lets you earn by playing small games, taking surveys, and clicking ads. Payments are in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, which you can convert to cash or hold as crypto. It's available in almost all countries. 3. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another great option. It offers multiple ways to earn, including playing games. It's available in many countries, but the game selection might vary. If you're in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, France, Germany, or Spain, you'll find the most opportunities. 4. Swagbucks Live for trivia enthusiasts. Swagbucks Live is a must-try. It's a free trivia game app available on the App Store and Google Play. You can win exciting prizes by testing your knowledge. Note that it's only available in the US and Canada. 5. Playtest Cloud. With Playtest Cloud, you get paid to test new games. After signing up and installing the software, it records your screen and voice while you play. You might not find tests every day, but they pay well, around $9 for a 15-minute test. A quick qualification test is required when you sign up. 6. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars offers various ways to earn, including playing games. It's only available in the US. You get a $5 joining bonus just for signing up. You need to earn $30 to cash out initially, but after that, the threshold drops to $10. Choose between PayPal or gift cards for your payout. 7. Chasmal. Lastly, there's Chasmal. It provides a joining bonus and rewards for playing games. Keep in mind, the longer you play, the less you earn per game, so it may not be the best long-term option. It's available in most countries and allows PayPal withdrawals. To sum up, these 7 apps are a great way to earn some extra cash while having fun playing games. Try using multiple apps to maximize your earnings. Check the description below for direct links to each app and more details. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +go_in.